Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. This exercise is called testing objects for properties. So we have this method called hasOwnProperty, and it takes into a parameter, a prop name. And what this does is that it checks if this prop name is inside of the object before this. If it's in there, we return true. If not, we return false. And we can look at this example. Here we're declaring an object called myObj and equals to top, bottom with the hats and pants. And now when we run this method on this object for top, we see that top's in there, so we return true. If not, for the second one, it's not in there, so we return false. So for this exercise, it wants us to modify the function check obj to test if an object passed to that function obj contains a specific property, check prop. So we have to see if this second parameter is inside of here. If it is, we return that property's value. So like this part of it. And if not, return not found. So we can delete this. And it looks like we need an if-else statement because it's checking if something is found or not first. And then if not, we do something else. So if obj that when we use has owned property and it takes in check prop. If this is true, we return obj taking into account check prop. And we have to use this bracket notation because it's a variable. Else, we return not found. And that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.